Haryana Hurricane, also known as Paji to his cricketing buddies, and Kapil Dev to the world, was the only Indian captain to bring the much-coveted World Cup home. But sadly, this outstanding all-rounder could not escape controversy and match-fixing allegations. Has he finally risen above all that to start a new innings? Kapil sir, Paji, thank you very much for coming on the couch with me today.
Thank you.
Now, in June 1983, you displayed captaincy of the highest order and transformed the Indian underdogs into Dev's devil to bring the cup back. What is it that you were able to do that Team India has not been able to do since?
I think just winning the cup, that's the only thing is the difference. I don't think so there was something great in captaincy. It's just at that moment the team was so good and everybody played to their potential. Yes, that's true. We never realized we can, go that far, but halfway through the tour everybody realized, including me, we have the team and we have the capability to go further.
So the 1983 Cup, our one moment of glory in Indian cricket, is a fluke.
80% of the people used to say that. Then we won in 85 under Sunil Gavaskar's captaincy, so it can't be fluke. You keep on winning such a major tournament.
Now, you just talked about Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. Of course, your captaincy and his captaincy was always alternated, and when one person did well, it was out, and the other person. Was that a good decision by the board? Was that
not at all? Not at all. Never. I think divide and rule is never a good policy, according to me. Yes, I think when they made me captain, I don't think so. I was ready. Sunil was much mature and he had everything to give back to the team. But I think how to control the player, that's the only way you divide. Nobody will say no to the captaincy.
Were you friends? Because this whole rumor of you two being rivals and always having this, on the field rivalry and things like that, is that true?
Mine was a different generation. Just, one generation after that, we were more ruthless, want to be more aggression and aggressive. Perhaps when he played his cricket, he didn't have enough team to fight back in the same manner. I always say...
So are you saying that he didn't have the fighting spirit that your generation brought in?
He didn't have the team with him as big as what I had. I had Sunil Gavaskar. He didn't have Sunil Gavaskar. He has himself.
Very clever thing to say. This new format of 2020 obviously came once you've retired from cricket. What kind of player would you have been in this format?
I was aggressive cricketer, basically. It was no difference. Yes, in 2020 more aggression you require, which I've seen recently, the people hitting six like back of their hand, you can expect number 11 also going to hit sixes.
But the purists say it's ruining the game.
When one-day cricket was born in the 70s, a lot of people said, what is this? It's a crap, it's rubbish. At that time, 250 in a day was a great score. 280 was brilliant. 300 was top of the list. But today, a player like Virender Sehwag get 300 runs in a day. So what you say, that's compliment by the one-day cricket to test cricket, because you start chasing much better, you're getting result also.